Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about simulations. Are we living in a simulation or a simulated world or an virtually created world? Are we just characters in a video game? Are we living in a simulation? I'm going to talk about this topic yet again. In my previous video, I kind of laid out all the three possibilities that might be true according to Nick Bostrom's theory that either we are living in a simulation because some advanced civilization came before us and created a simulation in which we are characters in that simulation, or it is impossible to create a simulation because either the technology is impossible or either every civilization is destroyed before they can create a simulation in the first place. Regardless of what the okay, maybe we should ponder upon this quite a little bit more about this question. Are we actually living in a simulation? I think we are not living in a simulation. It's my personal belief. I have no evidence to prove my thesis, prove my theory. It is just impossible for me to prove it. But I I think we are not living in a simulation. It is simulating all the existence of all the atoms of the universe seems like a pretty impossible task, and even why would an advanced alien species even do that? What reasoning they would have for that? Of course, maybe they are doing it for their own entertainment, and just like we create simulated worlds within video games for our own entertainment. Maybe that is a possibility. Maybe we are just some some alien kid science project. Our universe is just some alien kid science project. That is also a possibility. But I still think that maybe we are not living in a simulated world. That it is quite impossible to do something like that. But again, impossible things, kind of impossible things have been done before, and I do not know. Look, I am not an expert on this topic. I am just giving you my own layman's perspective. I just see the whole grandeur of the universe, and I think that can that be simulated? Again, some people are saying that you do not have to simulate the existence of each and every atom in the universe. You just have to create those parts of the universe that are under observation by a particular human being at any given time. So when I am shifting my head towards this, towards the left, now what I can see is now being simulated in front of my eyes. But when I shift my head to here, I cannot see what is to my left. So that part of the universe doesn't have to be simulated anymore because no one is observing it right now. So maybe that is also a possibility. That kind of a simulation can also exist, or some kind of a modifying simulation that is always changing whenever that simulated world is being observed by us human beings. Maybe that is also a possibility. Or maybe maybe it is possible to simulate each and every atom in the universe. Maybe it can be done by some advanced, ridiculously advanced alien civilization. I mean, they would be essentially demigods. I mean, those super advanced aliens would be demigods in front of us, because if they are able to do such a thing. But I do not know. I do not know anything for sure. But there is a possibility that that is true. But what if we are living in a simulation? So what are the implications of that? Does your life hold no value, no meaning, because you are living in a video game and everything doesn't have any consequences? I think no. Because the people who created us, our simulation, they also might be living in a simulation of their own. And this whole sequence of simulation within a simulation within a simulation can be never ending. So, and the original creator of that simulation that has all the other simulations nested within them, or simulation within simulation within simulation, that original simulation that is holding all the other simulations within itself, maybe that simulation has been created by some metaphysical entity. I like to believe that. It's kind of convenient for me to believe that, I guess. But I do not know. I do not know. But I always think that, even if we might be living in a simulation, what is reality? How can we define what is real and what is simulated? One person's reality might be another person's simulation. What a quote I gave right now. So, what I will be perceiving as reality would be a simulation for the person who created the simulation. And what they might be perceiving as reality, because they are living in their own reality, might be perceived as simulation by the person who created their simulation. My God, that's one amazing nesting of loops, I have to say. Yeah. I think I need some rest. Until the next video, please consider. I will talk about this more in the next video. I think if I am qualified, I you know what? Yeah. I think I'm kind of qualified, or maybe not qualified, to talk about this. Whatever. Please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances. Please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. And until the next video, please stay safe. Goodbye and God bless you. Why I do not know why I'm laughing.